Hello viewers, how are you? Hopefully you're fine. This is my new indicator Magnet V5 and the results you can see in the screen. Okay, Magnet V5 NRP that's been non-repeated indicator, and look at the accuracy 88% in the BTC 5 minute time frame. If you want to look the results in different time frame and different pairs like Ethereum, Solana, okay, you will see different results in different pairs. Okay, like ADA, BNP. Okay, in the BNP this is really awesome. Okay, profit factor is 43 point and you can see the results is really awesome. Okay, now if you want to see the results in forex pair like Euro USD, look at the results 87 88%. Okay, and GPB USD 85%, USD CHF 83%, USD JPY, okay, 85%, and you can see different results. I'm showing you results in 5 minute time frame, but you can use it in 3 minute time frame. Okay, the most recent gold one. Okay, we will discuss the results in the gold as well. Okay, this signal was amazing. Was amazing. Okay, and gold, this was not profitable signal, but the sell signal is now you are in good profit. And here this one is really awesome. This one is good. This one is a small profit. This one is a small profit. Okay, but this one, okay, this buy signal did not give you the profit, but the sell signal is really amazing. Okay, here you can see I'm showing you results in the gold 3 minute time frame. Okay, you can use it in the 1 minute time frame as well. Let me show you in the 1 minute time frame. Gold really awesome. Scalping, this is the best one. Okay, here you can see really amazing. Just need to follow buy and sell signal, do not need any other indicator. Okay, because when in the market is in the sideways like this one, market is not giving you much profit. But when the market is on the one direction like downside, you can see market is really giving you good results. Okay, like buy signal did not give you the some amazing profit, but the sell amazing one. Buy signal did not give you much profit, but the sell amazing one. Okay, same scenario is here. Okay, but man, the market is going upside, so the buy signal gave you good one. This one is really good one, and market was on the sideways but up and down, so that's why it is giving good profit. Okay, you can see this was not profitable, but the sell signal was really awesome. Okay, and if you want to see the results in some other pairs like uh, SPX Nifty 50, let me show you results in all. This is results in the 1 minute time frame. SPX 1 minute time frame, really mind blowing. Okay, sell signal give you the loss one, but the buy signal recovery. Okay, and Nifty Nifty 50, let me show you. This is the most recent signals in the Nifty 50 in the 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is results in the 1 minute time. The most signal was recent signal was buy signal, and so far you are in profit. Small profit, but you are in profit. Okay, and let's see USD 30. So most recent signal was buy signal, and you are good profit. You can see. Let me show you results here. You can use this indicator in any pair, in any market, forex, crypto, stock, whatever. Okay, you can see the results here. Everything is clearly visible on the screen. Okay, everything is clearly visible. Okay, and let's see. Okay, I think if you want to see the results in some other pair, then you have need to comment me, and then I will show you the results. Okay, or you can contact me personally, I will show you the results according to your choice. Okay, Here you go. We are here you can see so far buy signal market goes downside little bit, but you do not need to worry, and you have need to close your trade when you got the sell signal. Okay, amazing one. The fault of this indicator, it will give you the signal one candle later, like you got the signal here. Okay, and it will come when the candle complete its time, when the next candle going to start, then it will give you the signal in the previous candle. So one candle just a delay. Okay, and then it is going also. Okay, you can use it any time frame, any any crypto market, forex market, stock, whatever you want, you can use it. There is no issue, because the indicator is working on all pair, forex, stock, crypto, whatever. Okay, and if you need the indicator, yes, you can contact me. Let me show you my contact details. These are my contact details. If you need the indicator, you can contact me on WhatsApp, Telegram. Right when at the end, if you want to contact me on Telegram, Gmail simple hoga @gmail.com. If you want to contact me on Gmail, any further query, any question, yes, you can ask me. Okay, for the next video, bye bye, take care.